In this question, a cart which is having a mass of 10 kilograms. So 10 kg is the mass of the cart. So this is a cart which is having a mass of 10 kg. A boy pushes on the cart horizontally with a force of 50 Newton. So a boy is applying a force of 50 Newton. The cart accelerates. The cart changes the speed to 0.5 meter per second square is the acceleration. We have to find the resultant, the frictional force, the force which try to stop the motion. So what is the formula? The resultant force, this F is a resultant force. It's a result of the two forces. So resultant force is equals to MA. This F is always the resultant force. In this case, because the two forces are acting in opposite direction, friction is always opposite to direction of motion. It will try to resist the change in state. So that's why friction always opposes the motion. So what will be the resultant force here? Because the cart is accelerating, so it will be 50 minus the friction. So in place of F, we'll write 50 minus small f, where 50 is the force of the boy and the friction force is small f, and that is equals to MA. Then we'll substitute the values. Because the mass is 10, so we'll write 10, mass is equals to 10. And what about the acceleration of the cart? That was 0.5. This is given. So 10 multiplied by 0.5, that's equal to 5. So 50 minus friction is equals to 5. We need friction. So this 5 will move other side and friction towards the right because it is negative here. So it will be 50 minus 5 is equals to friction. So 50 minus 5, so 45 Newton is a frictional force. That's why D is the right answer. So because the two forces were in opposite direction, that's why when I'm getting a resultant here, I get resultant by subtraction. So I wrote 50 minus friction. If the two forces were in the same direction, I will write 50 plus F. But friction cannot be in the same direction here. As it is opposing the motion, that's why it is opposite direction.